Repeat the following questions and answers.
Is it 5 o'clock?
Yes, it's 5 o'clock.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Is it green?
Yes, it's green.
Is it your first class?
No, it's not my first class.
Is that a clock?
Yes, it is.
Is this a red pencil?
Yes, this is a red pencil.
Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
Is that his book?
No, that isn't his book.
Are you from Spain?
No, I'm not from Spain.
Are you cold?
No, I'm not cold.
What is this?
That's a book.
Who is she?
She's Miss White.
Is he here?
No, he isn't here.
Are they there?
Yes, they're there.
What's that?
That's a table.
Is it an old tape?
Yes, it's old.
Are 1 and 2 3?
Yes.
Is this my book?
No, it isn't.
Is this an apple?
Yes, it is.
Is he from New York?
No, he's from Chicago.